At Remote Medical Technologies, we're driven by one mission: to advance patient care through smarter, faster, and more collaborative solutions. Introducing our latest breakthroughs, RoseNow and SectionNow, real-time telepathology platforms purpose-built for rapid remote cytology and frozen section evaluations. With sub-second responsiveness and ultra-crisp imaging, these powerful tools empower cytopathologists and surgical pathologists to make confident, live decisions from virtually any device. Whether you're using our robotic microscope on a mobile cart or a stationary 4K-enabled non-robotic setup, RMT delivers smooth, intuitive performance exactly where and when it's needed. Our compact F50 slide preparation device automates slide creation in just 20 seconds, eliminating manual smearing and improving cell preservation, boosting efficiency and consistency across your lab. And with RMT Health Check, our built-in network monitoring tool, you have proactive alerts before disruptions impact your workflow, because reliability matters. We're also excited about our upcoming integrated chat feature, built to make virtual collaboration even more seamless. With real-time voice-to-text, users can communicate live and automatically capture key insights, decisions, and context all in one step. At RMT, we're not just improving telepathology, we're redefining it. Want to see us in action? Let's connect and schedule your personal demo today.